And here's the thing. Even though our lives have explicitly and drastically changed, the standards and expectation of what educators should be doing and what students should be learning have not. So many of us are experiencing the pressure to return to business as usual. We have been asked to engage youth for multiple hours on computer screens. I know that many of adults have agency and autonomy to call it quits after 90 minutes and be like, hey, I'm gonna go get my lunch. Some schools are mandating homework. What does it mean to do homework when home is school? Standardized tests continue to be delivered remotely and in person. And at this point, during this global pandemic, aside from agility, stamina, and resource acquisition, what valuable information are we assessing? So Cornelius and I have committed to absolutely not returning to business as usual. In fact, the purest joy that surfaced from this pandemic education for us has been doing one of the strongest forms of assessment, and that is kid watching.